Okay, today let's introduce the ultrasonic metal spot welder. This is the ultrasonic generator, and this is the welding head. Here is one of our welding sample. Wire end solidification. Let's see. This it's a back side. Back side. Here is a power cable, and there are 3 plugs. One for foot switch, and another 2 is connected to the head. Okay, at the head, there is this cylinder, air pipe. Here is a air pipe connector, 8 mm, 8, and this is a valve regulator. Okay, at the front side, there is also a cylinder here, and this is a base mode. This is a welding head. There are some screws to tight and adjust the base mode. We will take other videos to introduce how to adjust it. We can see here is some other base mode. It's like this, For different wire, we designed the different thickness of this mode. Okay, let's see the generator. Here are some buttons. Frequency scanning, automatic mode. Mode means, when we press mode, means when we trigger the foot switch, the head will goes down, but will not output the power. This is count to 0. Okay. When we powered on, first thing is press the frequency scanning, and then we see. Let's try. Set. This is for test. Can we hear the sound? When we press here, we can hear the ultrasonic sound. I can hear. Okay, let's say this is set. When we press set, we see some parameter: delay time, welding time, cooling time, shake time, and when we press this button, amplitude. This is for power. This is easy, just these parameters. We press this to adjust. Okay. The meanings. Delay time means when we trigger the foot pedal, the head will goes down. The head goes down. After this delay time, it starts output the ultrasonic power, and this is ultrasonic continuous time, we call welding time, and also the cooling time without. Shake time is for after welding. It will shake sometimes for us to get easier pull our wire out. Okay, confirm. when we if we want to adjust the head, we press this mode. This is auto. We can when we can weld. That means when we trigger the foot pedal, it will weld. Will output the ultrasonic energy. We press to mode. It goes to test mode. When we trigger the foot pedal, here is the foot pedal. It goes down, but will not output the ultrasonic. And if we want goes back, we press this button. Okay. But at the beginning, most important is at the beginning when we powered on, when we powered on, this is power off. When we power off, it will take some time to shut down because there is some capacitor inside. It need some time to discharge. Okay. When we powered on, the first thing is to press frequency scanning, because sometimes if our head with some problem, we start directly, it might cause some problems. We press this one, it will show the result. Okay. Now let's try weld a circle. Okay. This is the wire. We change this to auto mode. Change this to auto mode. Okay. Now this is after weld. Okay, this video we take care. We take other videos to suggest how to adjust this. Okay, thank you.